Hello guys, welcome to my simple remedies. Today's video is something that is being requested all the time. Today I am revealing one of my biggest secrets. In this video, I will show you how to straighten your hair at home and how to get the same results as a rebonding treatment, keratin, or Xtenso type of results at home. This is my own original recipe and you will not get this anywhere else. I have discovered a method to straighten hair from the roots, and it's better than any other expensive hair straightening treatments. So without wasting any more time, let's start this video. Before we go ahead, please like and subscribe to this channel for more awesome tips and tricks. So let's go ahead. I would like you to please have a look at my friend's hair. She's got extremely frizzy and curly hair. You guys know that I have straight hair, so I will apply the recipe on my friend's hair instead. You can always say thank you in the comment section to support her, by the way. So, let's start preparing our hair straightening cream. First, I am adding 1 tablespoon of hair tonic. You can use hair tonic of any company. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of castor oil. But remember to use pure castor oil only. Then, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Remember, you cannot use fresh aloe vera gel in this hair straightening cream. So, get a tube of pure aloe vera gel from your nearest store. Then, I'm adding 2 capsules of vitamin E. Do not use the green capsules of vitamin E. Only use the yellow ones. Then, I am adding 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Keep mixing them for the next 2 minutes. As you will see, my mixture has changed in consistency, and it has become a white, thick, and consistent mixture. Now we're going to need 2 eggs. So crack these 2 eggs in a bowl. Mix the eggs very well for a minute or so. Transfer your well-beaten eggs in the cream you have already prepared, and again, mix well for the next minute. Now, finally, our hair straightening cream is ready to use. Now let's move on to the next step. But before that, please like this video. In this next step, we have to make the hair wet using a spray bottle. Just spray away until it's about 60% wet. After that, use a wide tooth comb and detangle the hair. This step will remove the knots and frizz from your hair. Spend at least 5 minutes on this step. Next, use a tail comb and section the hair. Do the hair sectioning properly, otherwise you will not get the desired results. Hair sectioning is very important, so spend more time on this step. Divide your hair in thin strands so you can apply the cream properly. As you can see here, I am done with hair sectioning. You also have to do like this, otherwise you will not get good results, so please spend the maximum amount of time on this step. I am using an applicator brush to apply this cream. So dip your brush in this cream, take a small section of hair, and start applying this cream. Apply it properly on each strand of hair. The application method is so important that if you do not apply the cream properly, it will affect the results. As you can see, I comb the hair after applying the cream. I'm doing this as it helps spread the cream evenly on the hair. Take small strands and apply the cream on each small strand with the same technique. Once again, I repeat. You should spend the maximum amount of time on this step. It will probably take over 1 hour to apply this cream on all of your hair. Please do not apply this like any other hair mask. As you can see, I have applied the cream on all of the hair properly. Now take a wide tooth comb and comb the hair well for the next 2 to 3 minutes and leave the cream on your hair for the next 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's time to wash the hair. Washing is also very important, so wash the steps very carefully. First, remove the cream from your hair using water only. It will take you more than 5 minutes to remove the cream from your hair. After removing all the cream, use a shampoo and wash your hair again. Make sure to wash it very thoroughly. Spend more time in shampooing because it will also help to remove the leftover cream from your hair. After washing your hair with a shampoo, take some conditioner in your hands and apply it on your hair. Leave the conditioner on for about 20 seconds and after that wash your hair again. Please do not use any towel or a cloth to dry your hair, as we will use a blow dryer. Guys, remember to use the cool setting of the blow dryer. Please do not use the hot setting. Otherwise, this can damage your hair. Dry the hair properly using a comb, and you will notice that now your hair is no more curly. You can also see that this cream gives extra shine to your hair. By the way, my friend is so happy with the results, and she's asking if the results are permanent or not. Yes, the results are permanent. Just one use will make your hair dead straight and shiny. You will love your hair after this treatment. If you want even straighter hair, do this treatment again after the next 3 months. So try this treatment today, and if you want silky and straight hair like my friend. Also, don't forget to share your results with me in the comments section. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye!